What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new Umidigi A3 Pro, and this is going to be only $95. Stay tuned. Before I start this video, I want to give you a huge shout to Umidigi for actually sending this product out for an unboxing and unbiased review. Do know that this is merely going to be an unboxing and first impressions. I will be doing my full review later on in the future. Also, if you guys would like to go ahead and pick this up, you guys can go ahead and use the link in the description down below as well as the comments. This is going to be an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback, so I would really appreciate it. So this is the Umidigi A3 Pro. Let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications on this device. So far, they look pretty promising actually for $95, which is pretty insane. Obviously, we have the MediaTek processor in here, and this is going to be a 1.5 gigahertz quad core processor inside of this. So for our CPU, we have a 1.5 gigahertz quad core, not octa-core, but it's still $95, so take that into consideration. For our system, we have Android 8.1 Oreo, which is really nice to see on devices. There's some more expensive devices that don't even have that, so kudos to Umidigi for putting that on there. We also have 3 gigabytes of RAM in this device, which is pretty insane, and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. You guys do have the option to put a TF card in there, so if you guys want to put an SD card up in there, you guys can go ahead and put it up to 256 gigabytes. And we also have dual nano SIM in this device. Looks like we have a 3300 milliamp battery, and for a screen we have a 5.7 inch HD plus 18.9 by 9 1512 by 720p. So that is a weird aspect ratio right there, but pretty cool nonetheless. And it looks like we do have GSM bands to work in the United States, so you shouldn't have a problem there. But obviously, I'm going to state that in my full review if it works on Metro, T-Mobile, Cricket Wireless, any of those other carriers. I'll definitely tell you if it works on there. But let's go to unbox this. All right, guys, so we have the box right here. Let's go and slide this right off. First and foremost, we got a thank you card from Umidigi, which is pretty cool. And next, they presented us with the device, and this actually has a case on it. So it actually comes with the case, which is really, really cool. Let's go ahead and put this phone to the side. Next, we have this little envelope that says link to the world, which is pretty cool. Looks like we do have our SIM tray. Next thing we have right here is a link to the world envelope. So that's pretty dope. It says Umidigi right there. Should have some of the literature inside of here. So quick start guide, and it has the SIM ejector tool. So very, very nice presentation right there. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Next, we have this popsicle shape wall charger, which looks pretty cool. And last but not least right here, we have this red and black cable. It is going to be micro USB to actually go ahead and charge your phone, but definitely looks stylish. And that is all we get in the box. All right, guys, so we got the phone right here, and it comes with this really, really nice case, kind of like a leather case. But we do have the cutouts for all of the ports, fingerprint sensor, flash, and camera right there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual phone. I am actually very, very hyped. Seeing that this phone is only $95 at the Amazon checkout. Wow, that is a pretty phone. Wow, nice, nice. All right, let's go ahead and take the screen protector off right there. That is a very, very good looking phone. Let's go ahead and take this little back protector off as well. Awesome. This looks super, super sexy. Wow. I wish you guys were here right now to actually see this and feel it. It looks like we have glass on the back. I really, really like this. I really do like this. All right, so taking a look at the back, we have the fingerprint sensor right here. We have the flash. We have the dual rear-facing camera, which is nice to see. We also have our Umidigi branding right there. And this body feels so premium, so premium. It looks like we have a raised screen as well. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone XR or the iPhone XS. Probably more of the iPhone XS, honestly, because the iPhone XS is a little bit smaller, but really, really like the build of this phone. So we have the front screen right here. Obviously, again, it's the 18.9 by 9 aspect ratio. Very weird ratio, but nonetheless, it's cool to see different ratios as always. But we have our front-facing camera. It looks like we have our headset up top. We do have a notch right here. And yeah, looks really good. Front side looks really good. Right side of the phone, we have our volume up and down button, and we have our power button as well. Bottom of the phone, we have our speaker. We have our micro USB port, noise canceling mic, and we have a 3.5mm head jack, which I always love to see. And also at the top left of the device, we have our little SIM tray, and we can actually either put 2 SIM cards in there or a SIM card and a SD card up to 256 gigabytes. So that's always cool to see. And at the top of the phone, it looks like we have our bands. So very, very sexy phone to say the least. We're going to go ahead and turn this on and see how the screen looks, but this definitely looks like a win just by the body. But let's go ahead and turn this on, see how it functions. So far, it is a win. let's see if the screen doesn't disappoint us. But so far, screen looks nice, honestly, just booting it up. But we're gonna go ahead and put this up, put an email in it, and we're gonna go ahead and start the process. All right, guys, so first and foremost, screen looks really nice. It's rounded. The only thing I don't like about this phone is the bottom bezel. Definitely thick with 2 C's. Really don't like that too much, but other than that, it looks good. I mean, it's a $95 phone, guys. Come on, it's sexy. It's sexy. Let's go ahead and start this up, though. We also have a 5 gigahertz band on here, so we can actually use 5G for our Wi-Fi if you guys do have that. All right, guys, so the phone is booted up, and I'm happy to say the screen still looks very nice. Now, that bezel does suck a little, but honestly, for $95, guys, this is pretty insane, honestly. For 95 bucks, this looks very nice. Let's go ahead and verify the software on this device as well. But yeah, we have Android 8.1 right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Android Oreo, which is always nice to see. And yeah, the other thing I wanted to check out is if we have a decent camera. We're going to go ahead and take a picture in a sec, but it looks like we have regular photo. We have beauty mode. We have video. Obviously, we're going to check out the features in the review, but let's go ahead and take a little quick photo real quick. Okay. All right, Umidigi, nice. Yeah, for $95, that's really decent. 95 bucks. Honestly, the build and everything so far, and the screen on this phone is really nice. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 3300 milliamps of battery, Android 8.1. I don't see how it's a bad move picking up this phone. Again, if you guys want to go ahead and learn more about this device, I will leave the link in the description down below. But yeah, for $95, I feel like this is a win so far. Obviously, I'm going to tell you in the full review if it's, worth it. But so far, really do like this phone. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also, turn on notifications if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.